Hey guys, so today's video is about me redoing my room. It's one of the best videos to watch. Very motivating. It kind of like inspires you to get your life together and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that today, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it makes you inspired to clean your room and, you know, sort your room out and get your life together. It is currently 3:05 in the afternoon. I just got back from school. I just had lunch for this energy and excitement and positivity. Yeah, so let's get to it. So basically the main thing that I'm focusing on, getting my room to be, I don't know, more organized. Like I feel like it's just in like an awkward space right now, and also it's been this way for a while, and I just kind of feel like I need a change, which I'm pretty excited about. And I'm moving it around the way I've never actually done it before, so that's gonna be cool. So today's kind of just like moving around and getting it into place, and then tomorrow I'll just be getting like the last little bits and pieces. And also there's things just like my duvet. I just want to put on a new duvet. This is my room right now. This is the state of my room. This is all just a big mess because I kind of started organizing the shelf and then I had to go to school, so I kind of like left majority of the stuff on the shelf over there, and it's just all the mess I need to sort out. I used to have my mattress on the floor without anything, like it was just the mattress on the floor, and then the mattress just was too low, and the mattress isn't that thick. I felt like every time someone would sit on it, it would just ruin the springs. So then I put the base and made it a little bit higher, but you can see it's still quite low. You can see next to the bedside table that it's pretty low, and also it's just not ideal right now. So I'm basically just going to be putting those legs, and then that's the two duvets. I found them in storage, and I'm just going to see which one's better, and then I'll just change those. And then also I want to change these pillows because I got that from like 3 years ago. And that mirror is also meant to be up there, but I was doing my makeup this morning, so excuse that as well. So this is my bed right now, and I'm gonna lift the bed up now and get my mum to help me with the legs. Well, this is nice. Excuse that, I have no idea what that is, but we got all the legs on, which is really sick. I don't know if it's meant to be like turned a certain way. This is currently where we are right now. That is very convenient for today. I'm just gonna disconnect the TV and all those wires and just put it out there, and then that's when I can start moving everything. There's a spider. Mama, there's a spider! So basically my phone is dying. I've just been charging it quickly while I've just been cleaning the walls, and I took down my poster and my heart that were on the wall. I took down this other dangling heart that was dangling from the curtain rail, and I've just been cleaning the walls. I've been taking down what was on that shelf and cleaning the shelf just so I can have like a clean space to start fresh. have this fake plant here, but I put sand in this pot because this was too heavy, so it was kind of like weighing the plastic over, obviously. So I put sand so I could hold it, but I'm literally so scared that it's gonna fall over in the middle of the night because it's right above my bed. But you know what? It's YOLO. So that's what it looks like right now. I quite like it because it's very simplistic. So it's just like the plant there, the bed. I'm so happy that we put the legs in because the bed's higher and it looks so much more cozy and so much more inviting. I'm just so excited. So now I just need to sort out that, all of that, and that table. But like, that's the fun part. So this is what we have so far. Literally got nothing up there. It's my bed right now. Okay, all I need to do now is sort all this stuff on my bed out and sort the shelf out, like what's gonna go in the shelf and stuff, and what's gonna go everywhere basically. But tomorrow I need to go to the shop. I need to buy a salt crystal lamp. I need to buy a new candle because this one got broken. It's literally like completely fucked. Let's hope this works. So far so good. Let's see if this works. Yeah, that's not working. I'm gonna try talk. Every time I stop, it's probably gonna do like a flippy forward thingy. Like that. Hold on, kids. I'm gonna fix you now. Oh, everything's just fucking up. Talk quickly. I basically have to go to the shops today. I need to get candle, crystal salt lamp, and I need to get a study lamp. I don't really know if the sellotape's helping, but it kind of is. I'm making the phone stay up like every time it falls over, so it's better than just falling over and falling onto the floor, right? Okay, so I need to go to the back entrance. I really hope I can find some stuff because this is like the dream I've always wanted to do, and now that I can, I'm doing it. I'm just gonna film when I get inside because there's nothing else I can really tell you right now. So I went to the first shop. There was literally nothing, like at all. So now I'm at the second shopping center and I'm gonna go to 2 different shops. Let's pray that I actually get stuff this time because that was genuinely a waste of time. Good stuff. So after a very hectic day of au pairing, going to the hairdresser, running around the shops looking for stuff, I got a lamp. It's just to go on my table over there for when it's nighttime and there's literally no light hitting the table. It required special globes, so I just bought 1 LED and 1 yellow globe, which I think I'll use first. And then I got the Himalayan crystal salt lamp on my table already. Okay, so I sorted out the plugs now for the lamps and everything, so I'm just gonna redecorate the table and how it's set up. I still need to get something to sort out that and that, and I still don't know if I want to put my mirror there or not, but I'll get back to you. So it is a couple days later and I finally have the bits that I need for my cupboard. I'm trying to film on my camera right now because I always film on my phone and I feel like the quality is just not as good, and I feel like, you know what, I'm just gonna try today. Even though my camera doesn't actually have a viewfinder, it's quite difficult for me to vlog because I can't really see what I'm filming and if I'm even filming myself.
What's up, guys? So it is now a couple days later. I think it's actually like a week later, and I've actually bought myself a vlogging Canon G7X camera, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So I'm going to be filming a lot more and uploading a lot more, so I'm quite excited. So comment down below on what videos you want me to film because I am going to be filming a lot more now. I sound really monotone, but I'm actually really excited. It was very difficult for me to film stuff on my camera because of the fact that there was no viewfinder for me to see like what was happening when I was filming, and it was quite difficult and it kind of like put me off filming because it was such a mission. So yeah, I'm very excited. Hope you guys are excited too. Make sure to like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video.
So finally I got boxes for these random miscellaneous things in my shelf. So I finally went to the shop and got these 2 boxes, which is perfect just to put the random stuff, and I could just slide it in, slide it out. done. And then here I've got the most random amounts of lip eyes and EOS ever, but obviously I don't want to like just throw it away, so I'm thinking of just adding it to the miscellaneous boxes. By the way, please excuse the way that I look. I just came back from the shops and I just didn't really feel like making an effort or caring right now. But am I gonna change? No. Am I gonna care? Probably after I watch this, but it's okay. Let's just done. All I really need to do now is my shelf over there. That's pretty much it, actually. And then I'm sorted. And I had my crystal salt lamp there, but then it just took up way too much space, and I was just like, you know, that's not gonna work. So I just put it there right next to my bed, and it also makes more sense because it helps you sleep because of the energy it gives off when the light is on. I also still need to sort out where that post is gonna go, but for now it's just staying there. Is it recording? Oh, I think it is. Hey, lovely beings. So this is going to be very difficult to not look into the viewfinder because I'm not used to looking into a viewfinder, but this is my new vlogging camera that I bought myself and I couldn't be happier. I'll show you it. Hehe. That is my very own Canon G7X vlogging camera and I'm beyond happy. I still need to get used to filming with it. I still need to get used to not looking into the viewfinder and filming with it in general. But it's a couple days later. I know, it's been a while. And my hair looks like this because I'm going out tonight and this is the only way I can keep it tamed in the middle parting for now. So, it's been a couple days. I think it's been a week or so. I'm not gonna lie to you, not much has changed in my room, but it's okay because it looks great and I'm really happy with it. Also, this isn't actually meant to be there. I've got to move that, but it's okay. It's my Young Lean poster. Anyway, okay, so let's just get right on to it. I'm just gonna show you what I have done since I last spoke to you. This is all I'm gonna do with my room because I'm really happy with it. So you walk into the room and there's my plant. I put my mirror there because first of all, there was nowhere else to put it, and I just put it there for the one day just to see my outfit, and I just kind of left it there, and I think it looks kind of cool. Put the plant on the table because the table had nowhere else to go, and then on my bedside table we have the crystal lamp that I bought, the candle that broke. That is the replacement and I actually really like it. And then we have the same old plate of jewelry, my everyday jewelry, my lamp and blah blah blah. Then I have the fake plant and then here I have my bedding. So I changed the bottom pillowcases to white ones. Looks much better. And then there's Caramella. I haven't actually introduced you guys to her, but she's honestly the cutest thing in the world. Look at that. Oh. No. Look at you. Oh no. Your breath stings, but it's okay because I love you. No. And then over there we have the two boxes that I put into my shelf with all the miscellaneous things. Really happy about that. Guitar and ukulele are there. And then I've moved my makeup. My makeup used to be here in my makeup bag, but then I moved it into this drawer thing, so it's just easier to access. And then over here, got my plant, my lamp, and then that's just skincare, perfumes, body sprays, and my makeup brushes. Oh, and my shelf I forgot to show you. So let's just kind of ignore it because I actually haven't sorted it out at all. I kind of just quickly put this together, but that is my everyday mirror that I use. That is a painting that I gave up on because I started it during a very stressful time and I actually know what I was going to paint, but then I fucked the color up, as you can see, so I just gave up on it, but I am going to start it again. So it's just there for now. And then there is another Delicious Monster, and then these are just my favorite books. So oh well, this one isn't actually a book. I kind of just use it for songwriting. I use these two for songwriting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was as satisfactory as, oh gosh, I hope it was as satisfactory as you dreamt it would be. Comment down below videos that you guys like to watch. I would really love to know, just so I can get some inspiration from that and kind of grow from that, and then, you know,
you know what I mean? Help a girl out. Let me know what you think of this room redoing thing. Hope you guys have a lovely week further, a lovely day, a lovely evening, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Tell your friends about it. Peace out.